Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run local AI with Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a private, offline-friendly AI assistant running on your computer and connected directly to your notes. No cloud, no data leaving your machine, just a fast local workflow inside your vault. Start by heading to the official Ollama website. Ollama is what lets you run open-source language models locally on your computer. Think of it as the engine that powers everything behind the scenes. Choose the download that matches your operating system and install it like any normal app. Once installed, run the setup and accept the default options. After installation, Ollama usually runs quietly in the background. You may see it in your system tray or menu bar, which means it's active. At this point, you can also download a model. Start with a smaller one if your computer isn't very powerful, since larger models need more RAM and storage. Now switch over to Obsidian and open the vault where you want to use AI. This works best in a vault where your notes are already organized, since the AI will help you summarize, rewrite, and generate content based on what's inside. Next, open Settings using the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Go to Community Plugins and enable them if you haven't already. This allows Obsidian to extend its functionality with tools that connect to local services like Ollama. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace. In the search bar, type Local GPT or a similar Ollama-compatible plugin. This is what connects Obsidian directly to your local model running on your computer. Open the plugin page, check the description, and confirm it supports Ollama or local inference. Then click Install and enable it. Once it's active, you'll usually see new commands in the command palette or a new sidebar panel inside Obsidian. Now open the plugin settings and make sure it's pointing to your local Ollama. In most cases, this is already set to something like a local address on your computer. If it asks you to select a model, choose the one you downloaded earlier. Go back to Ollama and double-check that your model is fully downloaded and running. This step matters because Obsidian can only respond if the model is active. If anything feels slow, you can always switch to a smaller model for better performance. Once everything is connected, go back to Obsidian and open the command palette or the local GPT panel. Now you can start interacting with your notes. Try asking it to summarize a page, rewrite a paragraph, or generate an outline from your headings. The key here is context. The more clearly you explain what your note is about, the better the AI will respond. You can mention tone, purpose, or even the structure you want, and it will adapt inside your vault. If something doesn't work, check two things. First, make sure Ollama is running in the background, and second, confirm the correct model is selected in the plugin settings. Most issues come from one of these two steps. Over time, you can build a workflow where your local AI helps you clean up notes, brainstorm ideas, and summarize long documents without ever sending data to the cloud. It becomes a private thinking assistant living inside your vault. That's it. You installed Ollama, connected it to Obsidian through a plugin, configured your local model, and now you have a fully offline AI assistant working directly with your notes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.